everyone, welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the May 2024 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments, plus lots of freebies. Each month, the subscribers receive a free exclusive cut file, and these are designed by Cut to You, exclusively for our Scrap Room members. So this month is this awesome cut file with the title Adventure Awaits with the suitcases, so you can put it together, take it apart, use whichever little pieces that you want. So we do have a travel collection, but all of these would be great to document travel. So this is perfect for the coming up summer months. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up while you're unboxing your goodies or while you start creating. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they share their cutting and assembly instructions. You'll get a full color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with our design team. There's also lots of inspiration over on the Facebook group and the blog, and be sure to check out this YouTube channel for all of the layout shares that are done throughout the month using the collections. This month our 4 collections are Kaleidoscope from 49th and Market. From Carta Bella we have the Bloom collection. Joyful Notes from Pink Paisley, and Pack Your Bags from Simple Stories. If you love florals, we've got you covered this month. There's lots of florals in this month's kit. Travel, just a little bit of everything. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. Our first collection from 49th and Market is Kaleidoscope. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut swirl. Your patterned paper is this beautiful piece that's got like mixed media. Of course, it's always like this with 49th and Market. It's perfect background papers. We have the beautiful hummingbirds and the florals here. And the back has a circular design with mixed media paint and text. We have a full branding strip here, which has like a stitching design. This paper was called Tessellated Beauty. I hope I pronounced that right. This paper is called Iridescent Flutters. So again, we see these hummingbirds, these beautiful florals. So you could do a design that's going diagonally, or you could even do it across here like a band. We see the beautiful florals and foliage back here. The back is a pink polka dot. Full branding strip of little like stamped images. This paper is called Radiant Sylph. Beautiful circular design, again with hummingbirds and florals. And the back is another text print with mixed media on top, and then the foliage with the hummingbirds and berries. Just gorgeous. So one more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the ephemera pieces and the chipboard. So I kind of split them right here. So these are the heavy cardstock weight embellishments from the ephemera pack. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is a good sampling. And then you're going to get some chipboard pieces. So there's some that has little word phrases, and then we have florals, hummingbirds, butterflies, different things like that. So that is Kaleidoscope from 49th and Market. Our second collection is from Carta Bella, and this is called Bloom. So you can see all of the gorgeous florals. I think this would be lovely for Mother's Day, for either making a project, a little mini album or something, or a little gift bag, or even documenting the photos. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of cream puff cardstock. We have our pattern paper here, which is that heavyweight textured cardstock. This one's a ledger print with the florals in the corner. Just beautiful. And the back is kind of a minty green, distressed with the foliage. This paper is called Floral Garden Grid. Then we have a small floral print. And the back is kind of that periwinkle blue. Geometric design. This is called Floral Days. And then we have the gorgeous roses and flowers on the cream background. The back is a gold ledger, and this paper is called Vintage Floral. So one more look at your patterned paper. Your embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border, that dark green, a scalloped border of the florals, some banners with your phrases, some banners up here, more florals to tuck in and embellish with. I love these little labels here. And then you have lots of different quotes and things that could start your journaling or be used as titles. Love this little hexagon here. That's gorgeous. So some of the sayings are, it's the little things that matter most. Friends are flowers in the garden of life. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. And the story of our life, which is a little ledger tag. So really love this collection. So that is Bloom from Cartabella. Our third collection is Joyful Notes from Pink Paisley. So you're going to see more beautiful florals. This time it's a little bit brighter. We still have the pinks, but we have a dark purpley blue and the orange. It's just really pretty. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Hello Friend. I love this touch of mint green mixed in with the brighter colors. The back is a plaid done in the blue and kind of the purpley pink. This paper's Thinking of You. More florals, and then there's a text on the back. Lately every day has been like a breath of fresh air. So it's just this little note. We also have full branding strips on these of the pattern on the opposite side. This paper is called Favorite Person, so we have little bouquets of florals. These are perfect for fussy cutting. And the back is a diagonal stripe. So one more look at all of the gorgeous paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets, so you'll either get this one or the other side. We have word labels and then icons, so lots of florals. Good vibes, congrats. So there's a lot of sayings on here that would be great for greeting cards. So be sure to use up your scraps for that. You're my favorite person. That would be a beautiful layout to do. So that is Joyful Notes from Pink Paisley. Our final collection is Pack Your Bags from Simple Stories. So this is a great collection to scrapbook your past trips or the ones coming up this summer. And don't forget that exclusive cut file. It's perfect for this collection. So at the time of this filming, some of the cardstock had been back ordered. So you will either receive 2 sheets of denim or storm cardstock, but it'll be some type of dark blue gray color like this when you get your kits. For your pattern paper, we have this one, Time to Travel, which is the cloud print with the little airplane. I just love that paper. The back is a peachy grid design. We have this paper packed and ready with the suitcases. You could cut those apart for borders or fussy cut a few for embellishments. The back is a heart print on the dark navy blue. Then we have this beautiful floral on the dark navy. This is called Seeing the Sights. The back is this map pattern of Europe. But of course, if you're not going to Europe, you can still use this because when you cover it up with more pattern paper and photos, you're just going to have that illusion of a map, and that's all that your mind is going to read it as. So don't be afraid to use that for any types of vacations going anywhere. So that is a look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the phrase or the titles, the foam titles. So this is the one that I got, Time for Vacation. All of your embellishments will vary. You're also going to get a mixture of the ephemera pieces. So some of them will come from the journal bits and some from the bits and pieces. So you have lots of options to add your journaling in, and then some cute little icons to embellish your pages for travel. So that is Pack Your Bags from Simple Stories. One more look at your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the other reveal videos of the other kits. I'll have those linked here. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for the challenges. Lots of inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. Check out all the items available in the store. You can have them shipped right along with your kit with no extra charge. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.